तो फाइनली दूसरा पढ़ते हैं, दूसरा एडिटोरियल को रीड करेंगे। तो मेरे साथ आप भी रीड कीजिए। द अदर क्वाड इन विचुअल मीट ऑफ फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, यूएस, इजराइल एंड यूएई। तो चलिए इसको पूरा रीड करते हैं। द अदर क्वाड ऑन वर्चुअल मीट ऑन फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ऑफ द इंडिया, यूएस, इजराइल एंड यूएई। तो यूएई के लिए वर्चुअल मीटिंग हो रहा है, यानी ऑनलाइन मीटिंग। द इंडिया मस्ट रिटेन स्ट्रॉन्ग ties with Iran as it seek partnership with the US, Israel, UAE by the virtual meet of the foreign minister of India. The US, Israel, and the UAE is a strong manifestation of the change in West Asia geopolitical. If Israel and the UAE did not even have formal diplomatic relation a year ago, their growing economics and the statistics cooperation is the opening up opportunity for other power, including India. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, now in Israel, joining the quadrilateral conference. After the meeting, his Israel counterpart Yair Lapid, where they had agreed to launch talk for a free trade agreement. The four-national meeting also pointed to India's static desire to adopt a religion foreign policy strategy toward West Asia, transcending its bilateralism. Over the year, India has built vibrant bilateral ties with all the countries in the grouping. It is a member of a Quad with the US, Australia, and Japan, which have common concern and share interest on East Asia. Israel is not of India's top defense supplier. The UAE is vital for India energy security. The Gulf country, which hosts millions of Indian workers, has also showed interest to mediate between India and Pakistan. In the past, there were three pillars to India-West Asia policy: the Sunni Gulf monarchies, Israel and Iran. Now that the gulf between the Sunni Kingdom and Israel is being narrow, especially after the Arab Accord, the normalization agreement signed between Israel and the UAE and Bahrain under the tutelage of the Trump administration. India faced fever challenge to a religionist approach. Mr. Jaishankar has hinted that there would be more meeting among the four countries. While it is too early to speak of the strategic significance of such a grouping, there are areas where it can depend its engagement: trade, energy ties, fighting climate change, and enhancing maritime security. But India should also be mindful of the challenge in the religion. The US is clearly seeking to lessen its footprint here as part of its pivot to East Asia to tackle China rise, which red drawing West Asia traditional equation. India should be careful not to get sucked into the many conflicts of West Asia that could intensify amid growing religion rivalries, while the urban according made it easier and India to find common group with the Israel and the Emirates. The contradiction between this emerging bloc and Iran remain as intense as ever. India, which seems itself aligned with the US in the Indo-Pacific face deepening insecurities in continental Asia after the American withdrawal from Afghanistan, and it will have to work closely with countries such as Iran and deal with the challenge emanating from a post American Afghanistan. So the challenge before New Delhi is to retain a healthy relationship with Iran, even as it seeks to build a stronger religion partnership with the US, Israel, UAE blocs. Thank you, everyone.